Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Fahey and I'm an artist and teacher, and today I want to talk to you about the best ways of not getting stuck with your painting. Now, sometimes we can get to a stage when we think, you just don't know what to do next. So the way to get over this is to work in multiples. Instead of just concentrating on one painting, have different paintings on the go all at the same time. It really works because it stops you getting attached to just one painting and getting stuck in it and, really not knowing where to go. If you've got, a few on the go, you can go to the next one, do something on that, and more often than not, when you're doing something on the other one, it gives you the idea for the original one. So it's incredibly productive and it really helps you move yourself forward to not getting stuck and keeping your painting fresh and interesting and moving it forward in the way that you want. It's so much more satisfying and exciting because there's no need for you to get pull your hair out thinking, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? You don't need to do that. As soon as you feel that feeling coming on, move on to the next one and then move on to the next one. And if you've got all these going, each one feeds on the other, and you'll find that you elevate all of them from doing this, and then you can have them around your studio or on the wall, wherever you're working, and the sense of satisfaction is so much greater. So if I can impart any advice, suggestions of how to keep your paintings moving forward, keep them fresh, keep them exciting, is working in multiples. So if you have any comments on this, do let me know, write them below. And if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and press the notification button if you would like to see more. And I have some great things on my website. I've got a free ebook on colour mixing and also a free print. And I've got lots of different interesting online courses. So you can have a look at those if you want to really take your painting to the next stage and learn more. Then I'm sure I have a course for you. So until next time, happy painting, get lots going, and you'll see the results. Bye for now.